If you guys want to learn how to make money on your YouTube channel through live streaming, this is Barbara, and she's going to give you guys some fantastic information about that coming up right after this. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer, and welcome to Video Creators. We are all about helping you grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people and changes their lives. And you are reaching people. You do a great job with it. Tell us about your channel real quick.
Yes, so my name is Barbara. Hello, everybody. I live stream on YouTube Gaming every single Tuesday night starting at 8 p.m. PST, and I play all sorts of random video games. So that's kind of what I do.
You have the same type of energy on your live streaming
yes.
all day?
I am known for blowing out my little mic audio meter.
Happy Tuesday! Happy Tuesday, everybody! Barb Tuesday! Happy Tuesday!
I get excited. I'm having fun interacting with an audience, so I try to keep positive.
How long can you keep it up for?
The longest stream I have done is 12 hours.
Woo!
So
awesome.
this is just kind of how I am.
Yeah, I love live streaming with you guys because I feel like it's a great way to interact, to engage, and like rather than just replying to comments,
building a community. You
Yeah.
really do get to know people, especially if you're a regular live streamer and you get people coming back every single week. You really do get to know them over the course of years. You hit that play button and you're on, you're going, and you have your audience right there. They've been waiting for you to start. They're so excited to do like whatever content journey you have planned for them over the next 3 hours. You've got your captive audience there, and you've got chat and all of these other things for people to be able to interact with you.
Yeah.
And so it's just a fundamentally different way for you to think about creating content than kind of what we're doing here, which is much more, we can't get that real-time feedback.
We're going to upload this later. So on YouTube, you can upload a video. There's AdSense revenue that comes, and there's other ways to monetize that. Live streaming is a little bit of a different thing. What are some of the features that you use on your channel for monetizing your audience?
So I do have advertising revenue and YouTube Red, YouTube Premium revenue that comes through, but I would say the bulk of the revenue I earn is actually more on the fan funding side of things. So while you're there, while you have your audience, you just have these really tight feedback loops where people feel compelled to really help support your channel and help contribute to your creating the content that you want to make. So YouTube has a couple of features. Super Chat, a way for your fans to get their chat messages highlighted and stand out within chat. I also have sponsorships on my channel. And so that's a $4.99 monthly subscription in exchange for getting various custom emojis and things. And then I also use, there are third-party sort of donation and tipping sites out there that you can use to also give your viewers more of an option range.
Yeah. How do you get people to start engaging with those on your channel? You're like, hey guys, I got sponsors now. You can give me money. Yay.
It does feel awkward, right? Because you're not there sort of soliciting money, and you're not asking for it.
Right.
So I try to focus more on other types of motivations. So something fun I have set up in my studio with Super Chat is whenever Super Chats come in, and these are neon chat messages, all of my lighting is actually connected to Super Chat through the Internet of Things. And so when a blue Super Chat comes in, all of my lights immediately turn neon blue.
Fun.
And oh wait, you want them to be red because you really don't like a blue color, and you want to like battle against the person who made them blue? Yeah. Then you drop $100 and you get the red lights. And for me, I'm streaming in front of a green screen, and so you get people who are like, I want to break a green screen.
Yeah.
So trying to give people other fun things to do.
Right.
I also have done some Minecraft streaming where I have a custom mod for every Super Chat that comes in. You spawn enemies inside my game world with your name on it.
Oh, wow.
And so for like $1, $5, maybe a skeleton comes in.
Oh.
$20, you get an ender dragon who starts breathing fire on you, and I'm just trying to build a house.
Yeah.
Why do you have to be burning down my house?
Yeah.
And so those are ways for your audience to be able to interact, be part of the content that you're making, and it gives them sort of a different motivation for sort of tipping or donating or contributing.
Yeah, I think that seems like to be the key, is to make them part of the content, or making them feel like they're invested into this. Like, I'm supporting my favorite creator, but I'm also like contributing in some way this is like having an impact on what we're all experiencing together.
I've also done things, so I need a new gaming PC. My graphics card, I don't know if you are into computers, I have a 760, which is super old. And so I am actually doing a little bit of a crowdfunding type of thing. I have a new PC that I'm ready to spec out and build, and as I'm building it, I'm going to be live streaming the whole thing, so it's producing more content. And so over the past month, I've had kind of a little, like, a goal to say, hey, if you'd like to help me produce better content by purchasing a new computer, contribute to this.
Yeah.
And so that's been sort of another way for people to see, hey, we can all make better content together.
That's right.
Help me buy a very expensive computer.
Yeah, for sure. If you guys want to learn more about how to do this, there's some links in the description below this video that'll take you to how you set up super chats and sponsors and how you connect them to cool, crazy lights and things like that. So more information down there below. You can check out her channel, Barbara E. Mack. That is also down there if you want to have some fun watching her and hanging out with her live streaming. I also put together a short playlist for you guys who want to learn how to do live streaming better. Click that on the screen right now, and we'll see you guys over in those next videos.